Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture count in Notion. First, click on your profile icon, then select Settings. Click on your name, and then your profile picture. Choose an image from your computer and upload it. Once the upload is complete, click the X button to close the settings window. To confirm the change, open Settings again. As you can see, your new profile picture is already applied. You can replace the photo at any time by clicking on it again, or remove the photo by clicking the X at the top right corner of the profile picture. And that's how you change your profile picture count in Notion. Subscribe for more.